Bachmann Midland 1P update and service guide. Hi. Well, I've had a few requests asking me to look to see if the tractive effort of this lovely model can be improved without resorting to using the supplied traction tyre wheel set. So firstly, we need to get inside the model to see if there's room for any lead. Because of the very delicate safety valves on top of the dome, we can't use the normal service cradle. However, we have one ready supplied by Bachmann. Yes, if we use the packing, the required hollow is there to protect things while we work. Firstly, straighten it out a bit. Then to the long end, put a weight on it to keep it still. The loco will now rest upside down, ready to work on. Firstly, remove the front coupling and any end pocket. Note this uses a very short screw. Then remove the front body securing screw. Followed by the two screws at the back. Carefully ease the body off the chassis. Best way is to turn it right way up and allow the weight to do the work. Once inside, we can see that actually Bachmann have added weights to all the available spaces. The motor and mechanism is a really snug fit. So after taking a look and adding a drop of oil to the worm gear, I now close her up again. The only place for any discrete weight is between the driving wheels. Now, you are advised not to do this. Okay, that out of the way. You will need a bit of lead sheet, maximum 2mm thick by 30mm long by 9mm wide. Make sure the sheet is very flat. I use a bench vise with smooth jaws fitted. You may need to cut the lead. I use a strong scalpel after marking out the required size first. Once you have your lead cut, score the side that will fit against the loco underside. Then paint the sides and top of the lead black. Make sure to cover the edges. Once dry, try for fit. I now use a small amount of PVA wood glue, as this can be removed from plastic with minimum damage. Do not get any glue on the bottom plate screw. Fit the lead and let the glue dry. This adds 6 grams to the loco, right where it needs it, between the driving wheels. Looking at the loco and close up, I don't believe that you can see the lead that we just fitted. It may interfere with uncoupling ramps. I'm not sure because the gear well hangs down almost the same amount, so you'd need to try that. So a test shows that indeed it has made some difference. If you want more traction, then fitting the tired wheels is probably your only option. Hope this is of interest.